Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Amazon Seller Central to improve inventory performance. Full guide step by step clearly. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Inventory tab on the main dashboard. Select the Manage Inventory option from the drop-down menu. Review your current inventory status displayed on the screen. Identify any products that are low on stock or have excess inventory. To manage low stock items, click on the specific product. Adjust the inventory level based on your sales velocity and forecast. For items with excess inventory, consider creating a clearance sale. Click on the product and choose the Edit option. Set a promotional price to attract more buyers. Check for listings that have no sales for an extended period. Decide whether to remove these listings or optimize them. To optimize, improve product titles, descriptions, and images. Use relevant keywords to enhance search visibility. Evaluate your fulfillment method. Consider switching to Fulfilled by Amazon if you're handling shipping yourself. Review performance metrics like inventory turnover rates. Make adjustments to your restocking strategy accordingly. Regularly analyze your account health to ensure compliance with Amazon's policies. Check for any untapped sales opportunities in your product categories. Assess customer feedback for potential product improvements. Update your inventory management practices based on performance insights. Utilize Amazon's Inventory Performance Index to monitor health scores. Aim for an index score above 400 for optimal performance. Implement regular cycle counts for accurate inventory tracking. Gather data on seasonal trends to anticipate demand spikes. Create a scheduling system for inventory reviews every month. Engage with Amazon seller support for personalized assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.